Close the window. Close the window. Drink some water. Drink some the water. Stand up. Stand up. Sit on the chair. Sit on the chair. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Brush your hair. Brush your hair. Fold the blanket. Fold the blanket. Open the book. Open the book. Turn off the light. Turn off the light. Take out the book. Take out the book. Open the bag. Open the bag. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Open the tap. Open the tap. Wash your face. Wash your face. Clean the table.
Clean the
Table. Turn on the TV. Turn on the TV. Turn on the fan. Turn on the fan. Sit down. Sit down. Eat your food. Eat your food. Laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. Pour water into the glass. Pour water into the glass. Open the door. Open
the door.
Run fast. Run fast. Move the chair. Move the chair. Write your name. Write your name. Sit down.
Sit down.
Down. Go outside. Go outside.
Answer the phone. Answer the phone. Hello.
Come inside. Come inside. Close the door. Close the door. Take off your shoes. Take off. Take your shoes. Hide behind the door. Hide behind the door. Blow the candle. Blow the candle. Throw it in the bin. Throw it in the bin. Arrange your books. Arrange your books. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Tie your laces. Tie your laces. Whistle a song. Whistle a song. the juice. Pour the juice. Peel the banana. Peel the banana. Smell the flower. Smell the flower. Taste the honey. Taste the honey. Water the plant. Water the plant. Hang your towel. Hang your towel. Erase the mistake. Erase the mistake. Fill your water bottle. Fill your water bottle. Wipe your mouth. Wipe your mouth. Feed the bird. Feed the bird. Tuck in your shirt. Tuck in your shirt. Rinse your mouth. Rinse your mouth. Slice the cake. Slice the cake. Dig the soil.
Dig.
The soil. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle. Charge the phone. Charge the phone. Make the bed. Make the bed. Stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Hang the school uniform. Hang the school uniform. Pluck the grass. Pluck the grass.
Ha, Patty.
Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. Close the window. Close the window.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.